Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about OLE concepts in AutoCAD. First of all, we will see what is OLE. OLE means object linking and embedding. In AutoCAD, an OLE object allows you to embed or link objects created in other applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel or other OLE enabled programs into your AutoCAD drawing. This feature can be useful when you want to include non-CAD elements like spreadsheets, documents or images within your AutoCAD drawings for reference or documentation purposes. Here is how you can work with OLE objects in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, an OLE object linking and embedding object allows you to embed or link object created in other applications. We will see how to embed other application in our software. Okay, see here in insert panel we can see OLE object in data toolbar. Click on OLE object. Here we can see insert object window is open. From here we can select any one of the document. I will select paintbrush picture and click OK. See, here is opened a paintbrush document. Okay, take a brush from here and draw whatever you want you to draw. Okay, see, this is opened in our AutoCAD software. Okay, this is how we can attach any document in AutoCAD from OLE object command. Okay, you can attach Microsoft Word, Excel or other documents also in AutoCAD.